Hello and welcome to GUI.Dog. Oh yes, we're doing an update on Venice today. Yes, Venice. So when I did my last video, it's right there on the 14th of August, where the smiley face is. Yep, that's me. Very happy. And there's a reason why I did it on that day, and it's because of this hammer here. It's a hammer pattern. If you know anything about candlesticks, if you don't, doesn't matter. It's a bottoming pattern, meaning that it's likely that the price will go up, and that was very important, choosing that. Now if we take a look at the other circles, for instance the one that is currently in play, you can see that it's higher. So there's a low here at the smiley face, and then there's a higher low over there. And if we look at the top here, it's a higher high compared to this high, which is lower, and that it being a higher high and a higher low, that is an uptrend when you're looking at the charts. Charts don't go up in a straight line. When it's bullish, that's the word they use, it's higher highs and higher lows, and that's what you're seeing right there. And then when it's bearish, it's the opposite. It's lower highs and lower lows. You can see that happening here. For instance, this high is lower than this high, and this low for instance is lower than this low, so that is going down. That was sloping, so that is bearish. You can see the pattern here, like I've circled some of them. For instance, there's this doji, it's called a doji, the bottoming pattern, and there's another doji there. There's the hammer I've already talked about. That's not really just a pattern, but it did bottom out there. So we have a hammer, and now we have possibly a doji. So there's a reason why I chose that, because when it comes to timing, I know there's this common saying that you hear a lot from people who make you zero money but are ready to give you the advice, and that is you don't time the market. But that is true. You don't time the market, but you need to buy low. It's very important, for the millennia of human history, whether you're talking about the Sumerians, or you're talking about the Inca, you're talking about the Romans, etc. It's well known amongst human beings, for millennia, you buy low. It's that simple. It's not rocket science. You need to buy low, so you need to know where the low price is. That's why you use the chart, and that's what those bottoming patterns show you. So now Venice has made some changes to the to their front end, so now you're actually getting 41.69% APR. So the last time I did the video, the first video I did, it was about 35, so that's very good, and that seems to be kind of stable, because they made a slight change in the way they issue the new tokens. So if you do stake, so that's that button right there. I don't have anything to stake. You'd have to buy Venice BVV and then stake it. You will get 100% of what is being issued, so that's 41.69% APR. Now if you do for instance mint some DM, this is the new change that they've brought on, the DM token. If you mint some DM token, you only get 80%, and this is how the DM token is performing. It had a low of, when it began, at $79, and it shot up, and then now it's kind of been tracking downwards. Now the thing is, if you sell the DM that you actually mint from your VVV, it kind of gets complicated. Then the only way you can unlock your VVV, and to be able to sell it, is that you need to get some DM back, which is a bit convoluted in a way. It's not easy to do. So the easiest thing to do is just stake your VVV and get the 41.69%. Now if you remember, when it was 40%, your VVV would double in 1 year and 9 months. Now the thing is, some people have a misunderstanding. So if you just think about VVV as you're buying a car and you spent 10k on that car, if the price of VVV halves, so let's go back to the chart, if for instance the price is $2.91 now, and then it halves. You don't come back to half a car. Your car is still there. It's just that what you can sell it for is half. And at the same time, if the price of VVV doubles, you don't come back to two cars. It's just what you can sell it for is double what you bought it for. Now, in a year, 9 months, actually, your VVV, that is your car, will double. So you won't have just one car, you would have two cars. What you can sell it for, that's a different matter. So if the price halves, then you spent that's 5k for each car, so in total you have 10k. But if the price doubles, then that'll be 20k for each car, and then in total you'd have 40k. So that's how it works. So the number of VVV, if you're staking, will be going up. That's number of VVV. But what you can get for it in terms of US dollar, that will change, and it depends on the actual price of the token itself. Now, when you're staking, just a small point, you don't have to leave this window open. You can go away, go about your business, and it's really that easy. When I said money on easy in that thumbnail, I was not lying. It's that simple. You're actually getting 41.69%. In terms of VVV. How much you can sell it for, that's a different matter, but you know, it can go positive, like with profit to yourself, or it can go negative and it can become a loss to yourself. But going back to the way where we started, the reason why I made the video at that smiley face, particularly right there, is because I saw a change in the trend. There's a saying in finance, the trend is your friend except the bend at the end. And we saw a trend here that was going downwards, and then the bend at the end happened right there, and it started to go upwards. Now I'm confident, but this is my opinion, that this is a low price. Now I could be wrong, and it could go lower, and you know, no one knows the future. Hindsight is 2020, but I feel that the way things are going, that you know, and the way the change, the bend at the end of this chart, it means that VVV, in my opinion, and this is not financial advice, this is just for informational purposes only, do your own research, that VVV will be tracking upwards. Thank you for listening. If you like what you heard, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell and choose all. If you don't want to go through this and you don't want to get BBM, etc., but you want the AI computing power, Anthropic and OpenGPT, they've raised their prices. It used to be $20, now there's all madness going on about them raising their prices because they can't keep it at those low prices. But if you join the Fastlane Business Forum, the link is in the description. For just $9 a month, you can have unlimited AI. There is a fair use policy on it, and it's first come, first served. But just join Fastlane Business Forum, link in the description. Thank you very much, and goodbye.